In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Truth Social. We're going to be rating this application and seeing what it has in store. So in my last video, I showed you how to create an account for Truth Social. You could find this on the Google Play Store or on the App Store. So it was it was released on October 12th, 2022 for Android devices. However, for iOS devices, it was released a bit earlier. So as you can see here, you could read about the application and see what it has in store. But if you use Twitter, you know that this is quite similar to the Twitter application. So let's go ahead and launch Truth Social. I've already created an account. If you want to see how to do that, check out the other video on my channel. So as you can see, it has a really clean interface. It is just simplistic in nature and design, and I really like it. It's just has a nice hue to it, the color. So on the bottom of the screen here, we have a few tabs or options that we could choose from. So we have home by default, we have groups. I'm not a member of any groups. You could click on group, you could create your own group, or you could find random groups that pique your interest online. So there are various groups here which are trending now. So you could feel free to join these groups and check out the content that they post. However, we could go ahead and discover. Now, discover basically showcases trending hashtags, just as our Twitter has trending hashtags. So does Truth Social. And as you can see here, trending topics, if we should click on see more, we can see that most of these topics are political, if not all of them. So most, if not all, are political, and they span from a wide range of controversies happening in the real world right now. So that is what the Discover tab has for you, and it also suggests profiles of individuals in which you could follow. And as you can see, we have a pink check mark, well, white check mark in a pink icon there that symbolizes that those individuals are verified. And alerts would be notifications, so basically mentions if you have a new follower and so on and so forth. And messages is quite self-explanatory. If we select messages, we have the options to allow users you follow to start a chat with you, and we could also turn that off. We could also turn notifications on and off, and once you're through, you could go ahead and click save and continue. Now on the left pane, we have our profile. We could view our profile, view whoever we blocked, whoever we muted, and additional settings here. Now from the settings option, we have quite a bit of things that we could change. We could change push notifications. We could adjust how our home feed would look. So we could load the media. We could disable that if you're trying to save data. Also, we could select load sensitive media as well. Direct messages. So you could allow others to message you. If you don't want anyone to message you, you could simply turn that off. And here we have a few things under privacy. Now, these are the persons who you muted or who you blocked. And we have a few options under security. We could enable two-factor authentication, change password, or change your email. And lastly, we have the appearance, which we could change to light or dark theme based on your preference. We could read about the application's legal preferences or third-party licenses down here. We could also delete our account if we choose to do so. So that's just a quick overview of the application, Truth Social. I guarantee that if you are on this application and you follow the man who created it, you would be bombarded with posts by him. So that's basically it, an overview of the application, Truth Social. Feel free to check it out on the Google Play Store or on the App Store. So thank you for watching. Hacker 777 out.